This is Theo. What's up? Welcome back to Free Code Camp JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures, Lesson 2 of the Regular Expression course, Regular Expression section. Starting off with the regular expressions, match anything with wildcard period. So basically what we want to do is use this period wildcard character, match any one character. Wildcard is also called dot and period. You can use wildcard character just like any other character in the regex. For example, if you want to match hug, hut, hum, you can use the regex h. Basically, this will include all. So you should use the test method, and basically, so it matches the string. Okay. So what we're gonna do is, it looks like all these have un in here. So basically, we just want this, and let's go ahead and run this. That'll give us what we want. Number 2, you learn how to match literal patterns. You insert a little pattern with some flexibility with character cases. For example, you go to match bag, big, bug, not bog. You can create the regex. Starts with B, right? Then has these and it ends with G. Okay. Only match the characters. Cool. So use a character class with vowels A, I, O, U. Okay. In your vowel regex to find out the vowels in the string. So what we can go ahead and do, I think we can just use IOU like that. Go ahead and run that, and then I think what we need to do is AIOU is we need to run it like this, is go like that, and let me see, match with upper and lowercase vowels, GI, and then let's go and run this, and result.join, result vowel regex dot test, and I think we need to test it with quote sample. Run that, and let me see. Let me get a hint on it real quick. Dot match. So I just need to change this to dot match. Sorry. And match. Okay. Let's go ahead and run that. And vowel regex dot match quote sample dot match. This needs to be quote sample. Sorry. Quote sample dot match. We need to find the matches where it matches this vowel regex. Sorry, vowel regex. And there we go. Cool. Number 3, match letters to the alphabet. Match all the letters in the string quote sample. Okay. So what we can do is basically just take this. We're just going to say basically all the letters. We're just going to change this to A to Z. Sorry, let me take off one of these. A to Z. And I think GI, I think this should work. And it should match 35 alphabets. And then what we want to do is do quote sample dot match alphabet regex. Let's run this. There we go. Cool. Okay, number 4, match numbers and letters to the alphabet. For example, 0 to 5 matches any numbers between 0 and 5, including the 0 and 5. Create a single regex that matches a range of letters between H and S, a range of numbers between 2 and 6. So what we can go ahead and do is change this to be a regular expression of, let's see, H to S, and then we also want to do 2 to 6, and then what we want to do is call this match, and we're going to say my regex. Cool. Let's go ahead and run this, and sorry, we need to actually add on case insensitive English global. Finally, number 5, match single characters not specified. So to create a negated character set, you could place a caret character after the opening bracket and before the characters you do not want to match. So right here, for example, AAIOUGI matches all characters that are not a vowel. Okay, so basically this is like negating it. So create a single regex that matches all characters that are not a number or a vowel. So what we can do here is what we want to do is run this on AIOU and 0 to 9, and I think GI, I think we'll run that, that should be good. Let's see, GI, match, includes the back characters, appropriate flags, 0 to 9, dot, let me add this, let's see if this works. Let me just get a hint and see what it is. 0 to 99. So we needed to match it on there. So it's a good learning lesson for us. Okay. And we'll say quote sample dot match my regex. And I don't think this will work. So what we're going to do is just grab the, so it's saying don't match vowels or don't match 0 to 99 in case it's sensitive and global. So let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. That's it, guys, for listening to. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description for courses on React and JavaScript. And see you guys in the next video. Take care.